It's crazy. So you cannot doubt your manifestation and make it happen. The higher your belief, the more your manifestation will come true. Which means the fact that you are questioning it means you don't believe it. Is there anything you've been able to manifest till now? In the beginning, of course, when you are trying to manifest something big, all of us start with 2, 3, 4 as our number of belief. Because at the point when you thought of that as a manifestation, that also looked hard. Sit down and meditate. One photo is not enough. You need to make a whole movie from that one photo. The photo is just the entry gate to the movie in your mind's eye. How you will feel the day you actually manifest this manifestation. I will feel excited, I will feel joyous, I will feel ecstatic, I will feel amazing, I will feel wow, I will celebrate, I will open a champagne. And you do that long enough, you see how it will come true. Ma'am, how to know your manifestation will come true and how to make a vision board? Ritu, the easiest way to know that your manifestation will come true is to believe that your manifestation will come true. The higher your belief, okay, the more your manifestation will come true. Which means the fact that you are questioning it means you don't believe it. Okay, so you just have to live in this belief that yes, it is going to come. It's already on its way. Oh my God, I can see it. It's coming. It's on its way. The more you can live in the energy. So what you need to do is write down how you will feel the day you actually manifest this manifestation. How will you feel? I will feel excited. I will feel joyous. I will feel ecstatic. I will feel amazing. I will feel wow. I will celebrate. I will open a champagne. I will, whatever you will do to celebrate that moment, I want you to start to do it every day as if it has already come true. Okay, every day, every day, every day, I want you to experience the feeling as if it has already come true. And you do that long enough, you see how it will come true. Okay, it's crazy. So you cannot doubt your manifestation and make it happen. The only way to know that your manifestation is working is to check your own belief system on a 1 to 10. How strongly do you believe it will come true? In the beginning, of course, when you are trying to manifest something big, all of us start with 2, 3, 4 as our number of belief. But over the time, as you every day visualize, every day imagine, every day live in that energy of knowingness, a time comes when it starts to come true. And the beauty is the more of your manifestations that have already come true help you actually manifest further and further. So look for the victory of your old manifestations. Is there anything you've been able to manifest till now? Use that as your belief, core belief, because at the point when you thought of that as a manifestation, that also looked hard. And see, today it has come true. So if that came true when it looked impossible, this too will come true, even though it's right now looking impossible. But are you able to every day inject more belief, more belief, more belief? A time will come when the belief will become greater than the reality. And the day your belief is greater than the reality, your manifestation will come true. And I'm going to share my vision board video on my stories, so that all of you can at least get to watch it once. Okay, so I may not do it this week, I may do it a little closer to New Year's, but I'm going to definitely help you with making or creating a vision board. I have a lovely vision board video. Let me see how fast I can share it with you. Okay, now for all of you who've done my level 2, you got the vision board video as a gift, as a bonus. So please go back and watch it. And if you've not done my level 2, I highly recommend either join Awakening or Coaching Mastery so that you can receive my vision board video. And if not, then wait for 2 months, because closer to New Year's, I will be releasing the whole video on my Instagram wall. Okay. So in general, how to make a vision board, I'll give you 3 steps. Sit down and meditate and imagine your complete dream life in your visual mind's eye. Okay, then write out everything you saw. The beautiful house, the beautiful car, the lovely relationship, all of the travel, your relationship with your children, everything that you'd like to own, the charities you'd like to come to contribute to, and start to write in front of it what kind of a photo would do justice to this thought. Okay, so let's say a house, you can just take a picture of a house and then stick it there. Okay, whatever closest to whatever you had imagined, you take a picture of the house. Now every time you see that house, close your eyes and imagine the whole picture. One photo is not enough. You need to make a whole movie from that one photo. The photo is just the entry gate to the movie in your mind's eye. Okay? So then you just stick all of these pictures on a nice large board if possible, and then each picture signifies one dream, one dream, one dream, one dream. Like that, if you can put about 7 to 10 dreams on a board, that's what is called a vision board. Okay?